Surprise, surprise, Minecraft is a huge hit on the Xbox 360. I'm Homer Ibarra. The console version of Mojang's indie sandbox game reached 5 million in sales on Monday, according to Mojang business developer Daniel Kaplan. By comparison, the PC and Mac versions of Minecraft have sold 8.7 million copies. The entire franchise, PC, Mac, mobile, and Xbox 360 versions, have accounted for more than 17.5 million in sales to date. More than 450,000 copies of Minecraft franchise games were sold on Christmas Day alone. When the game launched on May 9th, Minecraft Xbox 360 Edition became profitable in just 1 hour, selling more than 400,000 copies during its first 24 hours on sale, and breaking all previous Xbox Live Arcade digital sales records. The game reached 1 million in sales in just 5 days and dethroned Call of Duty from the top of the Xbox Live activity chart for 1 week in October. Minecraft Xbox 360 Edition retails for $20 and was developed by 4J Studios, the shop that built the Xbox Live Arcade titles Perfect Dark, Banjo-Kazooie, and Banjo-Tooie. For more on Minecraft, check out GameSpot's review and like us and subscribe on YouTube.